Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about speed or direction of an object with a push or a pull.
Let's begin. Which ramp makes the marble go faster? And the correct answer is letter B, the high ramp. Which push makes the ball go farther? And the correct answer is letter A, the hard push. Which pull makes the toy move faster? And the correct answer is letter B, the strong pull.
Which path gets the marble to the flag? And the correct answer is letter A, the open path. Which piece makes the ball change direction? And the correct answer is letter A, the curved piece. Which track helps the marble knock down the blocks? And the correct answer is letter B, the track facing the blocks.
Which push makes the car go faster? And the correct answer is letter A, the hard push. A toy horse is pulled softly in one picture and pulled hard in another picture. Which pull makes the toy go farther? And the correct answer is letter B, the hard pull. Nina pushes the ball. What happens? And the correct answer is letter B. The ball started moving.
Omar pulls the wagon. What happened? And the correct answer is letter A. The wagon moved toward Omar. The ball hits the wall. Where does it go? And the correct answer is letter A. It bounces straight back. Which track guides the marble to the star? And the correct answer is letter A. The green track.
Which track guides the marble to the hole? And the correct answer is letter A. The curved track. A toy car sits at the top of two designs. One design has a sloped ramp, the other is flat. Which design makes the toy car start moving? And the correct answer is letter B. The sloped ramp. Which track stops the ball at the star? And the correct answer is letter A. The track with the block.
Which one makes the marble go faster? And the correct answer is letter B. The steep ramp. What happens when the ball hits the wall? And the correct answer is letter B. It turns. Which track guides the ball to the bell? And the correct answer is letter A. On the track.
Which track knocks the cup over? And the correct answer is letter A. Cup in front. Which image shows the ball moving faster? And the correct answer is letter B. Ball B. Which picture shows the toy moving in a new direction? And the correct answer is letter A, boat A.
Which marble hits the red line? And the correct answer is letter B, test 2. Which wall guides the ball into the basket? And the correct answer is letter B, design 2. Which push moves the car farther? And the correct answer is letter A, the hard push.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.